short video of the Creality Sermoon D1 3D printer about the issue of the print bed not being flat. I'm using, come on, focus. A 0.1 millimeter feeler gauge, and I can just feel it catching the nozzle here. So as per the instructions, that should be perfect for the height in the center of the bed. So I printed this jig to hold my Mitutoyo dial gauge. If I put it in the center, and I've already zeroed it, you can see I'm at 0. Now when we go to the four corners of the bed, you'll see we are out by about 0.2 millimeters. So one line is 0.1 millimeter. We went down 20, so 0.2 millimeters. Now the bed is pretty level. Every corner is about 80. Let's put it in the back. You can see about 80. Now we're going back to the center of the bed, and we're going back to 0. So in essence, the print bed is like a pyramid shape, with the center being the top. Even though the print bed is level. But in each corner we have about 0.2 millimeter difference, that it is lower in all four corners than the center of the print bed, which is at 1/10 of a millimeter, and here we are at 3/10 of a millimeter.